What's up, guys? This is my 01 Suzuki GS500. The carburetors on here are shot. We're gonna put some new ones on today. Probably charge the battery too. And let's get to it. So first things first, if you have any fuel in your carburetors, you want to drain that out. This little guy right here. And that does not look like good fuel. Alright, then we make sure the fuel is off. Okay. You got primary, on, reserve. After you're done with that, you got a bolt here and here on both sides. Take them out. And then right here, you got your fuel lines. So once we take those off, then we can just wiggle the tank straight backwards. Let's do that. Move these out of our way. So we're going to remove our throttle cables, our choke cable. We'll start by taking off this. Make sure that one's loose. That one right here. Right here. And right here. Once you got those loose, you should be able to just pull that tab. Pull it straight out. Oop. Okay, so you're gonna need a 10 mil wrench. We'll loosen these guys first. Make sure you take a picture of where your adjustment was. It's always easier to remember that way. Pretty easy. Do that. Pull it out of its position. You just take it out right there. So getting the throttle cables off can be a little more tricky. So it's best if you already have this and this loosened, just pop them right on out. Rotate it, you can get to it a lot easier. So you get it rotated. Remember which throttle cable goes where too. Come over here. From underneath, right here. And push it forward. I could ever get a hold of it. Now that's free. Let's take the throttle cables out. The only thing we have left are some fuel lines. Okay, so these are the ones that I just took out, and these are the ones I ordered off of eBay. And I'm not going to do anything to them. I'm just going to slap them in, see if they work. If they work, I'll clean them up. Guy sent me a video of it running, but if I don't have to open it up, I'm not going to, because those are pretty shoddy. So we're about to find out if this works or not. So this one goes underneath. So once you get it to your setting, you just want to give it a little bit of throttle. Let's see if that works. And she snaps back beautifully. I'm going to put in our choke cable. Just that. Okay. Put the spring over this thing. Pull it through. Make sure your choke works now. Choke works. Okay. Put the bottom in first.
Let's go.
And she snaps right in.
Go in. Get the fuck up. I'm trying to chill. I'm not trying to play, boy.
You don't want to over tighten them because they're old ass screws. You do the same on the other side. You know, hook up all your fuel lines back up. Put this vent back down here by the, so I can drain. This bottom fuel line goes right here. Clamp back on. We'll reroute this. Goes underneath, around, and clicks on right here to this guy. And that's just a breather. That goes to the fuel petcock. Alright. That's just a bleeder. It's a breather. Yeah, you put the air blocks in, tighten these guys down. Can you push it right here for me? Just so we know we got a nice good seal on it. Push it towards the carburetors. Yeah. Got the carbs in. Put the phone down real quick. That's how you do it. If you need to adjust anything, that thing. Right there.